Good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. How now day, my people? Please like and share the video. Hope now they fine. Yes, so happy somehow. Somehow don't show. Welcome to summer, guys. Share the video, like this video. Always share and like the video and follow the page. Betty Seaboard page. Always press the button follow so that you'll be notified that I'm online. Thank you, guys. God bless you. And I still want to use the opportunity to thank those people that always watch my video, always comment on my video. May God bless you all, guys. You guys will make it in life. Every difficulties in your life, God will solve it for you. God will see you through, you know. And so, yes, so let's go there. Very short one, like you all know, guys. Call for your hookup. Oh, I didn't write it, but I'm still onto hookup. I do it always indoors. I mean, yeah, privately, but because a lot of people are already doing it on stream, on live video, that is why I just say, let me just, you know, let me just you know, they do it with some kind brain. But then, oh no, get my number. You watch some of my video, you will see my number there. Forget to just write my number to pin it down. So just inbox me or call me, then we'll talk. If you need a man or a woman, a life partner, we are there also to help you out, you know. You know, this helping of a thing does not really mean only, oh, give her food chop, give her water drink, give her money. There are a lot of ways of doing help, of helping each other. My day where they find woman, you go see help and woman day they find man, you see help and that's the way it be. So we dey into it, hook up. So let's go there because it's going to be a quick one again. The topic should be written. Don't try to commit murder. I mean suicide. Let me just say, suicide is not the option. That is just the name of the the title of the topic. You know, suicide is not the option. Yes, that is the title or the topic. It's a short one. What am I trying to say? A lot of things are happening in around the world. Things they happen well. Suicide. Let's say you can't think and go say, oh, I don't tire, you want to go kill yourself. No, you don't have to. You know, sorry guys, this is my music. I don't want me the background. Just call the fuck up. Okay, publish it. I be my here. Why? You understand? Suicide is not the option. That is the topic. I just want to just quickly drop something about this topic because, yeah, a lot of things are happening. I'm seeing a lot of things in social media also, and I've seen face to face as well. You know, people complaining here and there, saying, oh, they are tired, they are fed up of the old world. The world is not easy. You know, I'm sorry, I have to mix it with my dialects because sometimes I'm an azé woman. We I know they be now. What am I trying to say in essence is this: suicide is not the option. In any case, anything you are passing through, any circumstances you are going through, suicide is not the option. To kill yourself is not the option. Although I pass through stress, through tribulation, nobody might pass through stress. Everybody have passed through a lot of stress. You know, But to say, oh, I want to go kill myself, it's not the solution. It's not the solution. It will solve that thing that you are passing through. Instead, it will make it to worsen the whole thing. Because when you will now meet to God finally after you kill yourself, God will ask you, say, why? How dare you kill yourself? Now query again when you go answer for where God did, you can't be double punishment for your own self. So it's like an advice and encouragement, because me that is speaking to you people, I won't lie to you. I've passed through some stress in life. I will be saying it, thinking about it, saying, oh, Baba, should I just, end it? But one way or the other, I will say sit and think again, listen to the other voice again. This life, there's two voices that will be speaking to you. One will tell you do it, the other will tell you don't do it. Sometimes you give the two voice chance. You give them chance, you take reason and it make you balance, and you understand me. So it came to pass in my life when I passed through a lot of stress, a lot of tribulation, a lot of tears and sorrow. My enemy, I was even wanting to just go and but at the end of the day, I realized, no, I don't have to do that. It's a sin to God, not only a sin, leaving my loved ones behind, especially my kids, who will not take care of them. These are the kids I'm fighting for. These are the kids I'm living for. These are the kids that are my pride. Children are your pride. They are your priority. If you don't have one, God will still give you one day on a very good day. By the grace of God. Because for me, I will not even wish a witch, a devil, a Satan, my worst enemy. Say me cannot born. Mona born. Na me we nije gwe. Na me we ne baba. Aya biele na wage we no jie no buna mas no buna ha no say confess no easy. Yes, of course, everybody should be a mother and say how it is, because it's not really easy to be a mother, So I just came here to encourage you guys, to advise you. Nobody is perfect. Man, don't send me message for this phone, I beg. God bless you now. You understand? Nobody is perfect. It's everybody body. But I know some kind cases where you see yourself, some kind problem, some kind sorrow, some kind disgrace, some kind shame where you see yourself, or the person where you go see say he can't give you shame and disgrace, he can't make you feel bad. You know, go expect and that person, listen, that person will be your husband, will be your wife, will even still be your brother, your sister, your mama, your papa, or your children. Yes, so I get disgrace in a disgrace in it, or a shame and disgrace in it, or a stress, a pain, tribulation, a bofty. Okay, where you told our was a low boy, the agbonje, agbonhan when away a big one wine, or the white to Meriana, or come white to Meriana, or tell white to Meriana, or even white to one me. You feel like taking it, killing yourself, But guess what, my people? Don't always listen to, the other voice. Listen to these two voices. Listen to the other one as well. Don't do it. It's not called for. It won't help you at the end. God will still query you and ask you questions and tell you why. Come on, abortion, one person they do not big sin to God. If we reach heaven, God will see. We will see answer query you. Talk or say you just kill yourself by yourself. It's not nice. It's not good. So it's just an advice and encouragement. I stumble across something in social media. That is why I'm just saying this short video. I'm doing this short video. The guy was blind. It was like a deaf and dumb. Something like that. But the other one, he has hand, he has leg, he has everything. Say this life not balance. Who get cap, not they get head. They see, they talk. But that way, they see, we not they talk. He can't look some kind of situation, the two of them, they pass through. He can't realize, say, the one way, not they see, as in the one way be deaf and dumb. He can't even realize, say, even better pass it. This one will be deaf and dumb, we not they talk, they even they see. But the one way they see, they work out, he completes best stress problem once he kill the enemy. Can't realize, say, he will be deaf and dumb better pass. Wait, that one can't just and waiting they pass through. They're not just sure everything. You be like those China people, something like that, big Pakistan people, they just come, they don't like a short film. And then you they show am, but what did they just show? Say one are deaf and dumb, one, they talk, they okay. But the problem with the head or you take me, or you like you wanna. It should be nice street now. And meanwhile, therefore, don't the plus in one case say Agbonyerina, ye degi, ye guan, all those kind of things. This will not be life now. When you can manage even safe, ye may family, ye may hope. But the other one, where they work away, where they hear word, will not be deaf and dumb. You get family, you get hope, you get this one, get that, but there are some issues where you see they pass through, where they pay now, where into say they see they say one key safe. But so compare everything together because not be African people act the something like a film, very short one, but then now China be Pakistan, me not even call the year because they not use English, but I just understand a little episode of it. The other one, where the one go kill himself, he can't realize which is the blind and the one with blind will be deaf and dumb. He can't realize say the one where you're the waka, me be what the over the normal, me wa they okay, they waka, they see, they talk. He can't realize say he will not they talk, he will be blind, he will be deaf and dumb. Better pass this one where they waka, better pass this one where be say he they see they trip for. He can't shock. So the story just tells about I wagbona, I got my. Not look person, you they say God do this person too fine, person everything. This woman fine, no doubt for body. And so this woman still get many children. God bless her. That's why see girls, man. That's why they still get money. See me now. I don't get money. I don't get children. I don't get husband. I don't get this one. Oh my God, life don't tire me. I go my if you see what that one see they pass through, you go even like or you will prefer say I beg go. God, you just prefer the way you just take this. So based on say you can't realize say you better pass that one. So now so way it be I fear me and I will go my. So my people, like I said, it's just a short one. Don't commit suicide. Don't kill yourself for anything. There is more life, there is more days ahead. Things will still change. God is still there to answer you. It might take 1 year, 2 years, 10 years. God will still answer that your pain, that your tears, that your sorrow. I will use myself always as a testimony, as a point of contact, or as a victim, or rather, do I put it whatever. I passed through a lot in life that I was even thinking of really doing it. I mean, but at the end of the day, when I thought about it, I said no, I won't. God forbid. So my name will not buy like that. Who I want to leave my children for? Who I want to leave this one for? Who I want to leave that one for? Who I want to leave this one for? Not be even that one alone. If I can't see this heaven, God want to deal with me, will He forgive me? I can't reason all of them together. God will forgive me, say I really go by myself. For that reason why I realized for my mind, inside my mind say no. Because I look by here about me, I can't forgive me for that thing what I do. Now say God forbid. I just prefer, just try. Continue with life. Life goes on. It will be well. Things will change. Might take 10 years, 20 years, 5 years, 10 years, 1 year. But things will surely change. You understand? I will repeat again. I know say a lot of things there. Pains, tribulation, temptation, tears and sorrow, disgrace. The way person will just pass through. You cannot help it. Please share this video, guys. God will bless you. 1 or 2 souls will be touched. We have a point in this thing. You might not share it now. If you share it now, you might go and meet somebody that really want to go and buy herself or buy himself. But listening to this video, you can't get hope small. You go say, God forbid bad thing. See what this is start talk. I've heard a year for film or story. But this is I know I confirm. I even know what happened to her. If she can be saying all this things, say after what she happened to her, she didn't even kill herself. She's still alive to see testify. She's still alive to see encourage people, advise people. And for me, God forbid, I don't go try and hear me away. I want to try to be like this sister. Based on saying they pass through stress, he wants to behave like I say. Don't be say nothing they happen. Say no, will kill himself for any reason. You understand? That is why I titled this "Suicide is not the option." I will try to rewrite it again after the video. Please, guys, suicide is not the option. Don't kill yourself. Don't buy yourself for any reason. Be encouraged. Try harder. God will still help you. God will hear you. It might not help you immediately or answer you immediately, but He will surely do it. You understand? He will do it. He will remove that pain, that tears, that sorrow, that shame, that disgrace, that problem away from you. It's in the Bible. He will prepare your table before you. There was something I passed through also some months ago, like 2-3 months ago. I went somewhere. I never believed God will answer me that way. I even made a short video. So just some like 2 or 5 or 7 minutes video that I even sang a song saying I never knew he will answer me this way. I said you guys should not mind my voice. So yes, that week I went somewhere and the way God did it for me, it was like a miracle. I never believed. You know, I never believed what they were saying or the paper they brought to me. It was just another paper entirely. But what God did was a different thing entirely. I mean, what I was thinking with that paper they brought to me, with the letters they brought to me, I was thinking is, oh, the world has come to an end. What should I do? But to God be the glory. He told me it has not come to an end just like that. He will fight for me. He will prepare a table before me. That was what he told me. And I was really thinking, is it really possible? Is it not just in the Bible for fun? Is it really possible that he will really do it for me and me? And he will prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemy? Behold, of course, when I went there to that place, that office, God really did it. And it was like a shock, a blow on their head, a shock to everybody. Even me, myself, I was shortalized. I said, I managed God to do and understand. So I'm owing God a lot. I'm owing God a lot. You know, if you are owing God, you don't have to pay God money. Just worship and praise him and pray. Especially try to help the less privileged if you are opportune to do it. You understand? Try to help. When you don't have money, too, you don't have money. Me, I'm not perfect in helping, but I'm just still trying to learn to help. You understand? And I'm still praying God should just strengthen me. Give me the strength of mind to really help, because it's good to do it. Please, guys, don't forget to just share and like this video. Press the like button and follow this video. Share so that other people will see it. Invite people so that they will see it and hear. 1 or 2 persons might get, they might get a message from this mess. Please don't get it twisted, guys. Don't get it twisted. Suicide is not the option. That is the topic. Suicide is not the option. In anything you are passing through in life, suicide is not the option. Suicide. Killing yourself is not the option. It's not the best. It's not the result. It's not the way forward. There must be another way forward. There's always a way. Suicide is not the best option. Suicide is not the option. That is the topic. Thank you, guys. God bless you, guys. And goodbye. And please, please, please share this video and like this video. And always invite people to watch. Share, share, share. God will bless you. There is blessing in sharing, my people. There is blessing in sharing. Share and like. Share and like. Share and like. And God bless you. Thanks for watching. And always press the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I'm live. Press the follow button, please, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.